Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic.
Hi friends, this is Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today our topic is how to create even numbers and odd numbers using Java technology. Oh, before starting the video, just could you please subscribe my channel? Could you please click the bell icon? Could you please share my videos to our relations and your friends? Thank you. Now we can start the video. We can start the program. How to create even and odd number. See friends, how to create package, how to create project in Eclipse IDE. Before video, you can see and learn how to create package and how to create project. You can see the previous video. Now I will create class. You can right click the package. Here select new. Here select class. First creating even, odd, foreground. So click finish. Now class is created. Now next is create the main method. Type main, control space. Here having so many methods, main methods, we can select first method. This is first method. Now display the even numbers. That's why I will write first sys out, sys ou down, control space, enter control space. Here we can give even numbers, even numbers. Here I am removing next line, no need next line. You can display same line. Now create for loop. Int, declare I value, I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 20, I plus plus. Next step is if condition. If I modulo 2 double equal to 0, now checking I value modulo of 2 equal to 0. Then display even numbers. So sys out I plus double quotations semicolon. Here I am removing ln. Ln means next line. You can remove the ln. System.out.print means it will display same line. You can put ln. It will display next line. That is the main difference. Print ln and print. This is display even numbers. Now run this program. What is the output? Exact output for this values? Right click, run as Java application. See even numbers. They are displaying even numbers. Now next step is now display now you can display odd numbers. How to write that program? You can here again write sys out odd numbers. Primary meaning ln. Y means need to display same line. Now I will create for loop int j is equal to 0, j less than equal to 20, j plus plus. Now if j modulo of 2 equal to, sorry, not equal to 0, not equal to 0, then display even numbers a plus space. Now check value is displaying or not. Here I will write sys out. Why means I need some gap in between even numbers and the odd numbers. That's why I given system.out. Now run this program. Right click, run as Java application. See, even numbers, odd numbers. Display odd numbers, display. Now, this is one way of displaying. Now I will tell another way approach, another approach. Just you can create another class. I will write order name. Already even odd is there, that's why I will write order even program. Now I will create main method. Here first I will create string variable. String even equal to empty value. String odd equal to empty value. Now I will create for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 20, I plus plus. Now I will write if condition I modulo of 2 equal to 0, then EV even equal to even plus I plus some space, else odd equal to odd plus I plus some space. Now after for loop I will display the both values. This is out even numbers. Even. Similarly, I will display odd numbers. Odd numbers. Huh? On the program, right click, run as Java application. See, this is another type of approach. This is creating even and odd numbers. I done two approaches. You can try in your own way. Could you please comment any doubts or any clarification? You want any doubts or any clarifications? Could you please comment in my below comment box? I will respond based on your query. Thank you, friends. Could you please subscribe my channel? Could you please click the bell icon? Could you please share my videos? Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.
If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.